Dear students, today we are here to discuss about our project enhancing K-12 education and Gen AI-driven online tutoring and resources. So this is the area we have chosen to develop an app for our website. Normally, today's scenario, all the internet platforms is occupied by artificial intelligence. You all know very well, wherever you go, that is somewhere or other, even when you search Google search engine, when you type something, the first thing will come artificial intelligence app. How AI answers for the particular question, this is what now it has changed. Previously we will get some websites, we will get some information so that we will open and do it. But today's scenario, the beginning of any search comes with AI. So that is the purpose of going for an AI project, and to get better results, we are going to introduce Gen AI in the project. So Gen AI is nothing but generative AI, you all know very well. So it's a kind of interactive platform where you can post some questions and then get the answers easily. So normally, education system, what we are conventionally doing here, so even though we have classes and we have tutoring sessions, an individual cannot see or ask questions to the resource person or a teacher individually and then get clarified. So normally what happens, we have a system like a professor delivers a particular topic in the syllabus and he will have a presentation. So before that presentation, he will go for prerequisites of that particular topic, and then he will ask for what we have already studied, and knowing the knowledge out of 60 students, it is a mass communication, right? So after that, he will start explaining the concepts one by one, and in between a class, we will have one fun activity or some activities to get motivated and be brisk in the class. So after that, finally we get recap or we go for summary session, right? Recap is in the initial stage, and the summary session we are going to see what are the points we have already discussed in the class. So this is what conventional class has. So what is the difference between conventional class and AI, Gen AI based app? Suppose if you are going to study a particular topic in Gen AI, each individual student will have their own independence or their own freedom of asking whatever they want. So normally students will ask what they don't know and they compare with the already residual knowledge about the particular topic. Then they will ask so many questions. So it is not that much possible in a classroom where all the 60 students can ask their own doubts to a teacher, and it is very difficult for a teacher to address all the 60 students throughout the session. So that will take a lot of time. So for that, we are going to develop or enhance the K-12 education with Gen AI-driven based app. Okay. So going for an app, we have to develop front end and back end. So it will be an interactive platform. For example, we have seen case study in gear, right? So for example, suppose if there is a doubt, how to choose an indexing method. So we have direct indexing method, indirect indexing method. So in that class, they will explain only direct, what is direct and what is indirect and how it is applied. So when we go for specific case of gear manufacturing, then the student can ask a particular app about the method of choosing the indexing. So that is what the advantage, and it is instantaneous. We cannot wait for the answers. It is instantaneously we can get the answers, right? So not only that, we have lot of scopes like personalized learning, which empower the students adopting educational content to their individual needs and learning styles. So learning styles differ from each individual students, right? So this will foster deeper engagement and improve academic outcomes. So what is the opportunity or problem or challenge when we face developing an app? I know that leveraging data-driven insights can significantly improve personalized learning by pinpointing areas where the students struggle, allowing for timely and targeted interventions. That is the very important outcome of gen-driven AI. It is a time targeted interventions. We can stop at any point where we don't know, and then we can ask and we can get clarified. This is the basic advantage of gen-driven Gen AI app for online resources for learning.